She got a problem. Oh Lord, I done stepped into the underworld, the upside down world up in here, the light flickering.
You want a mask?
I want some tequila.
Yes. Oh, I cut it.
Yes, you cut it.
Do you want to use these scraps?
Yes. Give me the rest of this.
Yes.
What
In the thong in the back?
It's like going thrifting all over again. All right, we are here on this most unpleasant day to go through my thrift closets, my quote unquote thrift store. It actually is going to be a thrift store now because Kayshel's going to put all the stuff that we don't need at the office on Depop. So if you are interested, we will put a link in the description box so you can shop my thrift closet because it is out of control and you guys are going to see it.
Coming in strong on the new year.
Yes, because our upcycle planner for this month and next month, the idea is that we go through, we're in secondhand safari and we are going through our thrift items. I know I'm not the only one who's got at least a whole pile of stuff that they are meant to upcycle. But the thing about it is when the pile gets too big, you get overwhelmed and then nothing gets done. So to go through your closet, even just your regular clothes, and see if there's things that you need to upcycle, if there's things that need to be donated. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. They're excited. Don't they look excited? They are the initiators of the cleaning out the closet. So I don't want to clean out the closet. They don't want to be on camera. So we're all in this together. So let's do it.
Let's go to the safari. Oh, my bone's cracking.
I don't want to do it. Oh, look, it's a little spot right here that's empty. Oh, y'all. Yeah. I don't have no excuse. It's worse over here.
Oh my God. Okay, let's start. Yeah, let's start with everything on the floor. You're not wearing that stuff. I know you're not wearing that stuff.
I use it for videos sometimes.
Give it to your supporters. They want to buy that stuff.
Okay, we can put it on the website, but
oh my God.
You want a mask?
I want some tequila.
They put me out, y'all.
You're out of control.
Because I wasn't being cooperative.
Oh Lord, I done stepped into the underworld, the upside down world up in here, the light flickering. I'm trying to get to a tote, but come on now, she knew she didn't need to buy it. I'm trying to get to this tote. I'm gonna pull this up. I'm scared to see what's in here. She don't even
honestly
know.
Don't.
You don't even know.
Oh.
There's dust on the top of there. Okay, this might not even be a thing.
This might not even be a thing.
These are scraps.
Oh, it's scraps. It's scraps.
This is the same problem that we have at the office.
From all the stuff that I cut up, it's scraps.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Because you don't even wear this stuff.
You know how long I've been on YouTube?
All right. This should work.
Okay.
Tiara had to roll her sleeves up.
Look at these.
We're listing those.
Okay.
Okay, so we need a listing pal. Listing pal means it's going on Depop.
Okay.
That gotta go.
On Depop?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Levi.
That's cute.
Yeah.
No, somebody will.
It's a vintage if you vintage thing.
Yeah.
Okay. What over here?
Y'all know that meme of that little thing throwing that baby like.
That's a scrap.
Right, that's a scarf. Okay.
It's a skirt.
I want to count how many vests
No.
I find.
I bought it because in February we wear African print at church, and at the time I didn't have no African print, but now I got African print, so I will not be wearing it. I mean, I was gonna turn it into something, but it never happened.
Okay,
Oh,
now Tiara's turning into. This might be a problem.
Don't
for
trip.
all. This
I was
might
about
be
to
a
say,
problem.
because you already said that you taking stuff home.
This might be a problem.
I'm getting y'all bags.
What are those? But everything cut up. This is insane.
I made a balaclava out of that.
Oh, what? Come on, Edward Scissorhands.
Slaughterhouse in here. Little Texas chainsaw mess. Like body parts in this bag. You murder.
Depop.
Oh, that's whole?
Yeah. What is this? What is this? A ski mask?
Yeah. I was trying to make a balaclava, but I didn't like how that one turned out. Oh, yeah. This is mine.
What is it?
This is all my upcycle jeans.
But when the last time you wore those?
It doesn't matter.
Pull them out. You can sell them on the site. These two together, it ain't gonna work.
Ooh, leather. That's good leather and it's already cut. So
okay, this is good.
Oh, we all listing this one.
So this is going to the office.
I just love all these old little vintage looking labels that we find out.
I know we should make something out of all the labels.
Yeah, because I hate to sometimes undo them. I mean, at least just toss them.
No, we shouldn't be tossing them. Well, I think me and Shelby making a pile.
Oh, this
one
is my
day,
coat.
one of the pieces from the brand is thrifted one day. And then they see this.
She got a problem. She has a problem.
But look at this coat. Look.
Goodness, I thought I had a problem.
No, everybody collectively in the room has a problem one way or another.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, and winter is almost over. When you gonna wear it?
I don't know.
You got a week to wear that. True.
And I bought this last year too.
Don't even go nowhere. You know what you need to put in your planner? Places for you to go.
Exactly. I'm gonna be like Daryl.
So that's gonna be in your apocalypse bag.
Yes. Zombies can't even get to me. Pad my arms. I'm ready.
Exactly. You gotta line the sleeves.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Yeah. I knew I should have did this alone. Y'all go off somewhere. How many things you get to keep? 10
Don't
things.
Marie Kondo me.
10 things. So put that's one. No, we started with 10. We're starting with 10, and I'll reassess depending on how much stuff we keep pulling out.
I'll give you one of my what do they call it?
Saves.
Yes.
Okay. Can we do this? Some things we just list on Depop. So that's a good thing. If we list it on Depop until I get to the point where I want to upcycle it.
Yeah, if nobody buys it.
If nobody buys it. So just like how you wear stuff first, that's my rule. Okay.
Where did the Goodwill pile go?
Oh, it's behind me.
Let me see that bag.
No.
Let me see it.
No.
We just want to see what's in there.
Why?
We just want to see.
Right. Next thing you know, you're getting beaten.
Come outside. Anybody trying to jump you?
So these are my
those
flat.
are too short. Did you grow since then?
No.
Put them back up. Let's see if you can fit them.
I can't fit them.
Leave them.
No.
That is vintage blueprint. You can sell that on the website.
Okay.
You need to find a pink sweatshirt or crisscross so this is the plus size.
Pink.
These are my pony hair.
Get them to the Goodwill.
You said your pony hair.
Them is not even cute.
They are cute.
Yes, you can go to the Goodwill.
These are cute.
Did you just slice it to get that?
Yeah. These.
Here, I need some backup. Come on now, look at this. This ain't it. That ain't it.
Just because it's not your style. I can fit these. I'm not giving these away.
How many pairs of those you got? Let me see.
These are my only. These are
Flare.
my only super flare. I made them for the channel.
Okay. Put that up there with the jacket.
That's not part of my quota.
Huh? Oh,
This is for work.
Okay, well, make a work and a quota pile. See, this is
These,
crazy. We need a therapist in here.
my grommet jeans.
I say
know.
Goodwill.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not
The
giving
grommet's
these away, but I might sell them. These are my original
Vintage.
Adidas. These are my original. Yeah, somebody literally just ordered these custom. So you better be glad I can't fit none of this stuff. What if I get back down?
No, I'm not. I go through that with my mama too many times.
We got less than
What
60
in the
days.
thong in the back?
I just saw one of my close family friends that had something that looked like her on jeans and the pockets were gone and it was just skin right here.
These are
Is that even
cute.
stable?
Yeah.
We can make a stabler purse.
Here, let me go get you the clarity.
One of them short ones.
Please, a clarity. Moving right along. Moving right along.
I'm losing a lot. Let's see what the progress we make. I'm making any progress.
Yes. This is a lot of progress.
It's a little bit more floor.
I can see the floor.
This is, what? It is giving Bella the ball at the church picnic.
I was gonna dye it.
That's giving Goodwill for sure.
It's a lot of fabric.
Yeah.
Oh, is this a full suit?
This is Goodwill. What are you doing over there?
This is Goodwill.
Yeah.
The writing on the back definitely says so.
We could cut this up.
We don't want that. It's only one good part. That's barely even just
the
the stripe.
sleeves.
That is
I'm
not
keeping
good
this.
quality.
Oh, is this another one? I don't know, but this green is giving.
Ooh. Cute
I
little.
like that.
Here's a cute.
It's like going thrifting all over again.
You just walking around hiding.
How many you what? One,
The store.
two. You putting stuff behind me that I can't count. What's this little? Hold on now.
That's for branding stuff.
Okay, y'all. Okay. Good. Oh, here's some more.
What? It was a failed project. Here's the rest of it.
What is going on here?
I was trying to make this ruffle sleeve top that I had seen, and yeah, my vision did not come.
Don't worry.
It doesn't happen very often, but
I got a little graveyard of mistakes of my own that I had to just ball and put in the bag, so I didn't have the heart to throw away.
This is Goodwill.
oh, I gotta keep this. This is actually not even mine. Where did I even get that from? You still got on the microphone?
I still got it.
Oh, God. Yeah, put these in the office file.
Whew.
Oh, that's scraps.
All right, these are.
Colors.
Ooh, those are cute.
Honestly, I would have agreed to keep these.
Yeah.
Because you love green.
Oh, I thought we was putting them into the office. I'm not gonna wear them.
Nah, you sneak out with these.
Now going to the office is not where the stuff you like gets to go. Oh my goodness. Y'all stressing me out.
You stressing me out.
Where's my drink? I would have been done if y'all wasn't here because everything's going through the Goodwill.
I know.
What is this?
Another blazer.
Goodwill.
So sometimes what I do is I be looking for something specific.
You black out, lose your mind?
I
think
do
that's
that, and
how
I call it a thrift high. It feels great. But sometimes if I'm looking for something specific, I'll thrift as close as possible to it. But then when I go back, I find something closer to it, and then I'll go back and I find exactly what I want. So,
Corduroy.
Oh, we need that.
Office.
I was hoping we would find that blue corduroy. What happened to that denim jacket?
I gave it to Tiara. I wasn't going to toss that.
I'm bagging it.
Oh, I cut it? What did
Yes,
I
you
do
cut
with
it.
Do you want to use
That's what
these
you
scraps?
do? Yes. Give me the rest of this.
Oh, this looks like it might have been nice. And she cut this.
It was nice. I just cropped it. Ah, corduroy. No, that's denim.
This
Sorry.
is denim.
Oh, we need that.
But we needed those.
Yeah. See, I already had what we needed.
All them preschool teacher looking big old dresses from back in the day. If y'all spot those, grab them.
My mom.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
that's a lot of extra denim that people be sleeping on.
Yeah,
You
you're
gotta
right.
cut around all the little fruit and cat embroidery.
All right. This is the state of affairs. This is all Goodwill. That's for Depop. That's for the office. I don't know.
That's all yo. This is vintage.
Oh, yeah, that's vintage blueprint. We're gonna sell that stuff. That's all that I'm keeping out of this whole thing.
You still got everything that's hanging up in the closet.
True.
And we gotta go through that next after we clean all of this. You want a prosperous 2024 or not?
Yeah, why is she taking the stuff she know gonna sell for a lot and she taking it act like she gonna wear it? She ain't gonna wear it. She gonna put it on her Depop. I gotta follow her Depop, see what she's selling. All right, here's the update. We got how many bags for Goodwill? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags for Goodwill. That's our Depop stuff. That's yes. And then we have what? Oh, see?
These are scraps. Ain't no see.
See? Look.
And did. Yes. I got me some shoes. I got some fabric. I got some shirts. I got some skirts.
This is what the closet looks like.
That do not mean fill it back up.
I'm not gonna fill it back up.
And all of this stuff is going to the office.
Yep.
All these totes are going to
all
the
the totes are going to the office. And so this is all my archive stuff, like stuff I've made over the years for the channel that I really don't think people would just buy. Oh, they might buy my Cardi B jacket. And the pants to go with it.
So that's going in the vintage.
Yeah, we can put that in vintage. Because I'm not going to style that for anything, I don't think. So if you're interested in buying anything you've seen me make on the channel, let me know. So after this, they made me go right away, put everything in the car, and go to the thrift store to donate it because they were afraid that I was going to start taking stuff out of the bag. And I hope you guys understand how embarrassing this is, but I do believe in practicing what I preach. And I'm really grateful to have people to keep me accountable. So if you guys are interested in buying any of the pieces, we are working on listing the legacy pieces on the website, but the Depop is up and running. And definitely subscribe for more of our shenanigans. And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.